The future of AI in next 10 years. The realm of artificial intelligence, AI, is experiencing exponential growth, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. While accurately predicting the future is a fool's errand, exploring potential advancements in AI over the next decade offers a fascinating glimpse into a world increasingly intertwined with intelligent machines. Here, we delve into several possibilities that could shape the future of AI by 2034. 1. The rise of artificial general intelligence, AGI. The holy grail of AI research, artificial general intelligence, AGI, refers to machines possessing human-level intelligence and the ability to learn and adapt across various domains. While achieving true AGI within the next decade might be ambitious, significant progress in areas like natural language processing, reasoning, and problem-solving could bring us closer to this milestone. Imagine AI assistants that not only understand your requests, but can also engage in nuanced conversations, anticipate your needs, and even offer creative solutions.
2. AI-powered automation 11 terroirs.
Automation powered by AI is already transforming industries. In the next decade, we can expect this trend to accelerate. Repetitive tasks across various sectors, from manufacturing and logistics to customer service and data analysis, will likely become even more automated. This could lead to increased efficiency and productivity, but also raise concerns about job displacement and the need for workforce retraining programs. 3. The continued evolution of deep learning. Deep learning, a subset of AI inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, has revolutionized numerous fields. Advancements in deep learning algorithms and the availability of even more powerful computing resources could lead to breakthroughs in areas like medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized learning. Imagine AI systems that can analyze medical scans with superhuman accuracy, leading to earlier diagnoses and more effective treatment plans. 4. The blurring lines between human and machine intelligence. As AI capabilities continue to evolve, the line between human and machine intelligence is likely to become increasingly blurred. Human-AI collaboration could become the norm, with AI acting as powerful tools to augment human decision-making and problem-solving capabilities. We could see AI assistants working alongside doctors in surgery, engineers in complex design projects, and scientists in groundbreaking research endeavors. 5. The boom of AI-powered companions and caregivers. AI-powered robots and virtual assistants could play a more prominent role in companionship and care, particularly for the elderly and those with disabilities. These AI companions could provide social interaction, reminders for medication, and even assist with daily tasks. While human connection remains irreplaceable, AI can offer valuable support and increase the quality of life for vulnerable populations. 6. The ethical considerations of AI advancements. The rapid development of AI raises crucial ethical questions. Bias in training data can lead to biased AI algorithms, potentially exacerbating societal inequalities. Additionally, the increasing capabilities of AI necessitate robust safety measures to prevent misuse and ensure responsible development. Open discussions and international collaboration are vital to ensure AI serves humanity for the greater good. 7. The rise of explainable AI, XAI. As AI systems become more complex, the need for explainable AI, XAI, becomes even more critical. XAI focuses on making AI decision-making processes transparent and understandable, allowing humans to comprehend why an AI system arrived at a particular conclusion. This transparency is crucial for building trust in AI and ensuring accountability in its applications. 8. The future of work and education. The rise of AI will undoubtedly impact the future of work and education. Educational systems will need to adapt to equip individuals with the skills necessary to thrive in an AI-powered world. This could include fostering creativity, critical thinking, and the ability to collaborate effectively with AI systems. 9. The democratization of AI tools. Advancements in AI could lead to the democratization of AI tools, making them more accessible to smaller businesses and individuals. Imagine user-friendly AI platforms that can analyze data, generate creative content, or build basic applications, even without extensive coding knowledge. This could unlock new possibilities for entrepreneurs and empower individuals to leverage the power of AI for their own pursuits. 10. The existential question of AI superintelligence. While still a topic of debate and science fiction, some experts raise concerns about the potential emergence of artificial superintelligence, ASI. AI surpassing human intelligence in all aspects. While this scenario is unlikely to unfold within the next decade, ongoing research into the long-term implications of AI advancements remains crucial. Conclusion: a future shaped by collaboration. The future of AI holds immense potential to improve our lives in countless ways. However, it's crucial to approach AI development with caution and a focus on ethical considerations. By fostering collaboration between AI researchers, ethicists, policymakers, and the public,